Let's look how we can create a mask with third-party tools, and specifically we're going to use photo key. Notice right here photo key is disabled, and it's the reason why, because we are currently in 16-bit mode. How I said before, some filters, third-party or native, may not work in 16-bit, so we want to go switch to 8-bit. However, if you want to work with 16-bit, we will need to create separate mask, save it as 8-bit, and import back to 16-bit. So I will just skip this step for now and just go and convert to the 8-bit so we can preview. Also, I'm going to create a secondary layer, just copy of our background layer, just for the test, so we'll modify only this layer. Next, we're going to filter, we go photo key, and we'll go to open this image inside the photo key 8 Pro. Okay, as you open, you can notice right here we have already our result. However, from experience, I know that some of those not totally clear mask. So as example, if we're going and preview as a mate, you notice right here we have some gray area. And remember, white is not transparent, black transparent, but gray, it depends on the density of the gray. It can be semi-transparent. So I want to actually be non-transparent at all. For this, I will need to clip foreground and background. So I'm going to bring this about 45. You can see we kind of remove it. And let's clear up some of those shadows by feet. We'll take and we'll clip this a little bit more this way. So right here, we have a kind of clear mask. One thing, if at this point I click send back to Photoshop, all what I receive is a black and white mask. So remember, whatever you see, it's what you will receive back in Photoshop. If I want isolate it, I need to go click down, select the result, and click send back to Photoshop. So and after this processing, you can see right here we have our isolated model from the green screen. So it's quite a bit fast and easiest way to do this, and it's produce very good result as well. Some of those applications, including photo key, they will remove some of the color casting that is green screen produced. So it does very good job on many levels. So this is easiest and fastest way probably to remove from the green screen, blue screen, high key or low key, depend what you're using, from the third-party tools. So let's look in another tutorial how we can do this by using inside the Photoshop, same process, only without third party.